Hello and welcome to the ZEISS IOLMaster 700 tutorial video. In this video, we will be covering non-toric IOL power calculation. Okay, starting from the IOL calculation screen, click on New Formula and select the formulas that your doctor prefers. For example, Barrett Suite. Next, select your doctor from the drop-down menu, Physician. For each formula, select the preferred non-toric IOL for calculation. This can be done by tapping on Spherical, IOL Manufacturer, Name of IOL. To add additional lenses, tap on Add Lens and add the information as described above. You can add up to 12 IOLs for one doctor. For each IOL entered, select K for IOL power calculation with standard keratometry or TK for IOL power calculation with total keratometry. Before calculating, ensure the target refraction and the surgically induced astigmatism, SIA, has been set correctly. Please note that the target refraction and SIA can be set different for each eye. The SIA is expressed in magnitude in diopters and incision location from 0 to 360 degrees. Magnitude, even though presented in plus, refers to the absolute reduction of corneal power in the meridian of the incision. Now tap on Calculate. The IOLMaster 700 will remember the selected formulas and IOLs for this doctor, including the target refraction and SIA. Tap on Edit to return to the IOL calculation screen to complete the setup of IOLs for other preferred formulas. After tapping on Calculate, the calculation results will be shown for each selected IOL. On the left-hand side, the IOLMaster presents IOL calculation in spherical equivalent, SE. On the right-hand side, IOLMaster presents the predicted residual refraction in spherical equivalent, SE, for the respective non-toric IOL. If the IOLMaster presents dash dash dash, this usually means that the calculation is out of range for the particular IOL. However, to view more information, tap on the IOL to display the detailed IOL view. Here, you will be able to see the theoretical IOL for emmetropia. This may be an indication for an alternative IOL type, for example, a low or non-toric IOL. Tapping on a particular IOL, the detailed IOL view will be displayed. Here, you can view or edit as required. The formula being used, the IOL chosen, including the respective IOL constants, and the keratometry values being used for IOL power calculation. You can also select an IOL by tapping on the IOL icon here. Use the cursor to select the desired IOL, highlighted in blue. Tap Save to return to the IOL calculation screen. Here, you will see the chosen IOL displayed and highlighted in blue. Tap Finish to return to the Patient Manager screen. So that concludes the ZEISS IOLMaster 700 non-toric IOL power calculation tutorial video. Here are the top 3 tips to remember. You can set up preferred formulas and IOLs for each individual doctor. The detailed IOL view will show additional IOL information. Further, it allows you to highlight a particular IOL. Throughout the IOL calculation process, you can easily toggle between K and TK to compare the IOL calculations. And always remember, you can simply access the user manual by tapping on the question mark icon. Thank you for watching.